All right, part 2, because my phone was not able to handle the storage. I think we left off with this goalie etchings, Hellebuyck and the Connor Bedard. So thank you, Connor Bedard, for ending part 1 strong. Oh, good note, you know. Like I said, I did lose track of how many packs this is. So don't get mad at me if you want to keep track in your own head. Go ahead. This is Heiskanen, Miro Heiskanen, Macklin Celebrini. Again, a hot commodity these days. As in monumental moments. Anze Kopitar. I'm gonna start switching up what side I'm gonna grab from. Just introduce a little bit of anarchy, you know, with the luck gods. David Pastrnak. Okay. So we got a co-stars. Ottawa Senators co-stars. We have this side that makes me wanna throw it towards the sink. And then Tim Stützle, which doesn't. So let's see if I can put it in my pile just like this. And maybe then it'll be okay. And then a Bouchard, known for his defensive prowess, obviously. Still chasing a Sidney Crosby card. I've not seen one yet. As a Nick Suzuki. True North Heroes. Brad Marchand. Brad Marchand really grown on me lately. I remember hating him a long time ago, but he has been, even though he's playing for the Panthers, he has been someone to look up to recently. Nico Hischier card. That is also something that should be studied, which is the Devils fall off this year. That is, something is in the water over there in New Jersey, because it is not going good. Seth Jarvis, dog. We love Seth Jarvis. Dylan Guenther. Monumental moments. Not too many monumental moments I can think of for Utah there. And then Tyler Bertuzzi, the man who is touring all the original 6 teams. I like Tyler Bertuzzi. Let's see if we can keep going here on these hits. Dylan Strome. And we got, oh, look at that. Interesting. Monumental moments, Anze Kopitar. I've never seen this. That is cool. Coffee or tea? Am I supposed to? Oh, I mean, I guess what's one of your guys's now? Have fun with that. I showed the QR code. That's funny. William Karlsson. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm still not really seeing a dent being made in the amount of packs we have left here. Still have not seen a Sidney Crosby card whatsoever, whether that is the regular card or a chase card. I am going to start making another pile because it is flopping over. Kenzie Weegar, funny name that guy has there. True North Heroes, Claude Giroux. Nice, cool card. Getting a lot of those today. I haven't seen one last time, and now I'm seeing all of them. Leo Carlson. Is he a part of that Zegers trade? Right. I think he was, right? Pretty sure. I don't know. I'm not a Flyers fanatic. Owen Tippett, speaking of the Flyers. Stuart Skinner, Stinky Stu. Goalie etchings. Wow, look at him, so locked in. So locked in. We love you, Stu. Noah Dobson. Underrated. Still looking for this guy right here. He's in here somewhere, I just know it. Brock Besser. Above the ice, Adam Fox. Very cool. Quinn Hughes. Quinn Hughes was destined to be a Red Wing. And then something mystical happened with Steve Yzerman and his negotiating skills. And somehow he doesn't know how to acquire good players anymore. Adam Fantilli. We got a monumental moments, Philip Gustafson. Oops, put that in the wrong pile. Igor Shesterkin. Oh, hello. Our first Red Wing of the day, Lucas Raymond. Future of our team right there. Very nice. Glad we signed him. Travis Konechny, True North Heroes. Very cool. And Brad Marchand. Love the Rat. Love the Rat when he's playing for you, not when he's playing against you. It's kind of been his whole career. He's made a... Brad, did I just throw a card? I did. Threw a card away. And it was a Sharon Govich I threw away. That is the card we started with. I don't know why I remember that, but I do. Jonathan Huberdeau, Monumental Moments. A very cool jersey for Calgary there. Mikko Rantanen. Wow. Could have had a few different jersey choices for him there, just depending on whenever the set was created. That is a Jasper Bratt and the nice Devils unis there. Evan Bouchard above the ice, giving a hug to Stu there. Kevin Fiala for the Kings. Love to see the Kings make another run. Remember what was that, 2014? They had that good run in the playoffs. Zach Hyman. Great name. I mean, not great, but like funny, I guess. Okay. Steven Stamkos, Monumental Moments. Steven Stamkos also having a bit of a comeback year on his new home. Adam Fox. And we are flying through these packs now. Okay, that one just erupted without my knife even piercing plastic. Still have not seen a Sidney Crosby card. Whoa, Juraj Slafkovsky. Attack angle, Leon Draisaitl. That is certainly someone who has his own attack angle. Buchnevich. Blues are also becoming a sneaky team. Spoiler team. I love when the teams that have been bad for a while start playing good. And that is a Clayton Keller. And as I say that we are looking for a Sidney Crosby card, we find one of the better ones to find. That is a True North Heroes, Sidney Crosby. And look at that man right there. That's Captain Canada. Very nice. Mark Stone. Another good pack right there. Matty Beignet. Goalie etchings, Aiden Hill, who's hurt right now. Cole Caulfield, Goal Caulfield more like. That's what they call him. Actually, they have a different nickname for him on Montreal. I'll let you look that one up for yourself. Oops, hit my stand. It's good luck. Jared McCann. Monumental Moments, Nicola Ehlers. Matt Boldy. Starting to get surgical with these packs here. Also my receptacle is filling up quickly. Charlie McAvoy on the Bruins. Sidney Crosby Monumental Moments. There's another Sid. The Sids are flowing. The Sid tap has been opened, apparently. Cale Makar. I think we only have one. That one True North Heroes Nathan MacKinnon is also our only Nathan MacKinnon also, I believe. So they're hiding the cards that people want. They're hiding them for no reason. Brock Nelson of the Avalanche. Nazem Kadri. Talk about someone who's had a controversial career. True North Heroes, Nazem Kadri. And then Mike Matherson of the Montreal Canadiens. Let's keep it going here. I'm trying to keep these videos relatively short, but this is taking quite some time. Connor Bedard. And we have above the ice, Josh Morrissey. Love the glitter on that card. It's very pretty. Connor McDavid. I don't know, where would you rank Connor McDavid all time for having a relatively, so far, like non-substantial career in terms of Stanley Cup success? Jordan Binnington, Canada's goalie with the monumental moments. Jordan Kyrou. I hope none of you wanted to see the back of any of these cards because I have not been showing that. Anze Kopitar, and we have another cool chase card here. The co-stars, William Nylander and Austin Matthews. See if I can get the... There's Willie, and there's Poppy. There he is right there. Cool. It's a thick card also. Wow. Dougie Hamilton. And we're getting to the point in these cards where I can sort of, kind of, maybe start seeing a dent. No signs of stopping here soon. Evan Bouchard, and we have a True North Heroes Connor McDavid. Do we already get this one? I don't know. Nonetheless, cool card. And then a Teuvo Teravainen. Hockey has, I mean, all sports have hard to pronounce names, but I think hockey has a large number of them. Ilya Sorokin and a Sebastian Aho. William Karlsson. Monumental Moments, Sebastian Aho. Jeremy Swayman, base card. Let's go to the speed round here. Ready? Speed round, speed round. Oh, so fast. Okay, boom. Barkov, attack angle, Panarin, boom, boom, boom. So fast. Oh, I put that in the wrong pile, whatever. Oh man, I think me saying speed round made me slower. Claude Giroux. It did make me slower. Mark Scheifele. Love Mark Scheifele, True North Heroes. Tage Thompson. Oh, yeah. Just me uttering the word speed made me very much slower. Leo Carlson, goalie etchings, Andrei Vasilevsky, Josh Morrissey. Jake Sanderson. Monumental Moments, Samuel Montembeault. Wow, okay. Funny to say that he has had a monumental moment so far. Travis Konechny. I believe we have his chase card. We got a Patrick Laine, and look at this card here. Cale Makar and Nathan MacKinnon co-star. Wow, look at that. Let's see what's the back of these look like. Makar scored twice on January 26, 2025, and MacKinnon set up both Makars, both markers. Oh God, that's his markers. And the Avalanche 5-4 win over the host Rangers. Sorry for the illiteracy there. I was thinking of Makar, and that really put me in a spin cycle. Do I have to even announce the base cards anymore? I feel like you guys can see them. You guys can, if you really miss my voice saying their names, you can just play it back. It's a Nick Suzuki attack angle. Mikko Rantanen. Nico Hischier. True North Heroes, Braden Point. Braden is always on point, seems like. Mason McTavish. I'm telling you, I'm going to start getting surgical with this knife soon. Quentin Byfield, again. Philip Gustafsson, goalie etching. Kevin Fiala to end it off. I'm going to switch the sides again, of which we are grabbing our packs from. Roman Josi, Above the Ice,